15 minutes later.
Way bigger than I thought it was. Way bigger than our first one. Water tap.
Just put them in here for now.
Super epic shots while filling a bird feeder. Birdie time.
Nice and warm.
Reveal.
That's the green one.
Oh. Oh.
Still trying to get back in.
Eh.
There's one.
You okay? She's breathing very hard.
Yeah, probably very excited.
Oh, running.
Okay, good one.
I need to get used to it, okay? Oh. There you go. Okay, second one. The green one was, I would assume, is the more scared one because Ron kept like trying to grab that box. Yeah.
This is the male. No, this is another female.
Almost looks like a big. We have blue female, the lime yellow female, and this is the male, which I'm pretty sure is blue. Yep, there he is.
Good.
Okay, he's more calm.
Yeah, females are usually pretty stressed out. There you go, 3 birdies. We haven't named them yet. I'm thinking it might be a cool idea for a contest if some of our subscribers or viewers would like to name these birds. Let us know what you think their names should be.